That'll be it for the binary. So bytes. If I go to here, to binary games, we talked about bytes. So for bytes, a nibble, you have 1s, 2s, 4s, and 8s, and these are 1s or 0s. So this is the number 9 because it has a 1, no 2s, no 4s, and an 8. So that adds up to 9. And for a byte, you have 1, 2s, 4s, and 8s, and you have 16, 32, 64, and 128. So this number is 128 plus 16 plus 8 plus 1 for 153. And that is one way to get the answer, but it is a lot of work to add up big numbers like 128 plus 16. So the way that the real pros do it, the way everybody presents it, is hexadecimal. That is the cool thing to do. So let's take a look at the hexadecimal, which is here. Hexadecimal is the language that exists to make it easy for humans to read binary data and manipulate it. So when you count to 15, you go from 0000 to 1111 is 15 because it's 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. That's 15. And 1000 is 8. And 1010 is 10 because it's 8 plus 2. So this is binary and base 10. And so base 16, you just have one character for a whole nibble. So 0 through 9 is the same as base 10, and then you just use letters, A, B, C, D, E, F. So A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. And after a while, you will get used to the strange statement that A and C and E are even numbers, and B and D and F are odd numbers. You get used to it. This is base 16. So now you have one character to represent 4 bits. And therefore, 4 bits make a nibble, and a nibble is 1 digit. So this is 9. If they were all 1, it would be F. One character from 0 through F represents a nibble. And now, if you have a byte, you have 8 bits, so you read the right 4 bits and call it a nibble and make a character, and you read the left 4 bits and make a nibble and make a character. So you never have to read more than 1 nibble. So this number is 99. I think I got a slide, yeah. So this nibble on the left is 9, 8, 4, 2, and 1. This nibble on the right is 9, 8, 4, 2, and 1. So this number is 99 in hexadecimal. And what that means, the left nibble is the number of 16s, and the right nibble is the number of 1s. So this is 9 times 16 plus 9, which is 144 plus 9 to get to 153. This is easier. So that's what hexadecimal is. And it's much easier than trying to add 128, 64, and 32. You just read 4 bits at a time. So let's try a few of those. Here's the online game for it. Let's do a few of these. All right, so what is this in hex? 0011 1000. Call it out.
56.
Now, what's the left nibble? What's that?
That's
38.
It's not 8?
38.
Yes, 38. This is 3.
okay.
1, and this 1, 2, 4, and 8 is all you do. So this is a 1 plus a 2 for 3. And this, that's 8, right? So this is 3, 8 in hex. That's all it is. You do each nibble separately. Now, if you wanted to take it to base 10, it's 3 times 16 plus 8, but we don't care about base 10 anymore. Base 10 is just irritating. You use base 2 and base 16. So that's 3, 8. How about this one? What is this in hex? What's this nibble here in hex? What is it in base 10? It's not 8. You got 1, 2, 4, and 8. So how many 1s? What's that? 15? Yes, it is D. But it is. This is no, it's 11, which is B. Now, the way you get there, this is 1 plus 2. So what you get here is 1. This is the number 1s. You have a 1, and you have a 2. You don't have any 4s, and you have an 8. So this is 11, okay? And 11 is B. A is 10, and B is 11. So this is B. And this one on the left is 0. So how about this one? What's the left nibble? Yeah.
I know the whole thing,
All right, what is it?
yeah,
CF, right? This is C because it's 8 plus 4, which is 12, which is 2 after A, so it's A, B, C. And this is F, so this whole thing is CF. Is that clear? Anybody got any questions? How about this one? What's that nibble?
seven zero.
That's 7, 0. This is 7. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. You start on the right of each nibble, and you count the number 1s, 2s, 4s, and 8s. So that's 7, and this is 0. So that's 7, 0. All right, I'll do one more of these, and then I'll do the cahoots. So what's this?
Forty-five.
45. This is 4. 1, 2, 4, and this is 1, 2, 4, 1 plus 4, 45, right? I see some people getting it right, 45. All right, let's try the cahoots, and that'll be the last bit of lecture today. Why are numbers written this way? It's a good question. They're written this way because it is the easiest way for humans to process binary data. It might seem difficult at first, but binary itself is too hard to read. You have all those ones, you can't even tell how many there are. And base 10 is too hard to convert to binary. Base 16 is easy to convert to base 10 and binary. It serves to make it, it's the easiest way to communicate binary data to humans in practice. It's a little screwy at first, but after you get used to it, it'll save you a lot of time. So here's hexadecimal. Let's try one of these. Yep, that's it. Ketchup on pizza says we hairless apes can't compute. Yeah, that's the issue. We're naturally designed for base 10 as much as we're naturally designed for any numbers. So learning to do binary is always going to be a little unnatural. However, counting at all is pretty unnatural. Logic at all is pretty unnatural. Yep. Yes, just one thing, yeah. Yeah, no, I think there's only, yeah, there's one file that obviously says this is the flag. I think there's only 3 files total. It's not supposed to be hard. Yeah. You're not hunting for anything difficult. Yeah. Yeah, good. It's just to make sure you got everything working. Although even the other ones, there aren't any treasure hunts in this class where you're hunting for something that's hard to find. That's in the bandit challenges there are, but not in the autopsy. This person's been around for a while. All your base belong to us. That's a meme from like 10 years ago. That was in the time of floppy disks. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, so convert. I guess decimal number to hexadecimal, that's rude. 9 to hexadecimal. All right, that's not binary, it's base 10. What idiot wrote these questions? All right, 9 is 9. This is binary, but this is what it looks like in hexadecimal. 9 is just 9. All right, let's see if I The next one is also decimal to hexadecimal. That's a little rude. We'll see what it is. All right, that's a binary to hex. There, now I feel better. That's just like the ones we were doing. That's CC. 1100 is no 1, no 2, a 4, and an 8, so that's 12. And 12 is C, because 10 is A, 11 is B, and 12 is C. So each one of these nibbles is C. CC is the answer. All right, how about that one? All right, that's F8. All ones is F, and this is 8 plus nothing else. So I see everybody pretty much got it. That's good. F8, good. All right. And how about that one? Good. 2 people are faster than me. That's good. D. First one is 6, second one is D, one more than C. Good, all right. So I got some winners. HRS, well, they have to tell me if they want their points. Ronan has won, however, twice. Good. And this is it, okay? All right. Base RS, good. I got your name, okay. All right, good. Let me stop this recording.